spreading. Take a look at this map. Now, 64 confirmed cases linked to a holiday outbreak at Disneyland, plus 10 babies in California under quarantine after possible exposure. ABC Dr. Rich Besser here is here. And Rich, how serious is this threat?
You know, I'm very concerned about the rise in measles around the country. Last year, there were more than 600 cases of measles, 23 separate outbreaks. And those people who haven't been vaccinated are the ones who are at greatest risk here.
And this is, coming back now, kind of resurgence, but a lot of doctors haven't had to deal with it before.
They haven't. We eliminated measles back in 2000 from the U.S., so a lot of doctors haven't seen